Hello friend, in today's video we will learn how we can interface the ESP8266 model with Arduino. Also we will see how we can give the internet connectivity to the Arduino so that we can send the temperature value, real-time temperature value on the ThingSpeak server. So before start the explanation of each and everything about this project, I would like to tell you what we will cover in this video. So we will cover how to connect the ESP8266 Wi-Fi chip to the Arduino model. Then we will cover how to give the connectivity, that is internet connectivity, to the Arduino model, and then we will cover how to connect the LM35 temperature sensor with the Arduino model. Then after that we will see the programming explanation, and then we will see how we can print the actual real-time temperature value on the ThingSpeak server. So before start the hardware and programming explanation, I would like to tell you, please watch the complete video so that you will get idea about each and everything about this project. So currently you can see the temperature value is continuously captured by our Arduino software. So you can see this is the real-time value, that is 31.28. So let's say if I again restart the Arduino software by clicking on this serial terminal. So you can see connecting to the Wi-Fi module. Then Wi-Fi is connected. Then you can start sending the command. So it means whatever the IP address of the ThingSpeak server, it starts sending a command, and this one 31.28 it is the real time value of temperature, that is a room temperature, and this means body close means this value sent on the ThingSpeak server. So I will open the ThingSpeak server now. So it will take some time to load the value. So it last 16 minutes ago this value. Now we wait to refresh this page automatically. So you can see once I refresh the page, the current value is 31.3, and that graph also printed here. What is the temperature sensor graph based on the date. So this is the complete idea behind this project. Now what we will cover the hardware connection first, so that you will get idea about how to connect the ESP8266 model with the Arduino hardware. But I request you, please subscribe my channel. Currently you can see I have uploaded more video on many video on Raspberry Pi, Arduino, then Python programming, then some webinar, so that it can grow your career. So if you want to learn something from me, it is free, and you have to just click on this subscribe button, and all the video it is very unique, and you will learn definitely many things from me. I uploaded mostly video on Raspberry Pi, mostly video on IoT, then Arduino. There are different types of project I have explained, and each project having the programming part. So please subscribe my channel, please support me, and please enhance your knowledge by watching my video. So to connect the Arduino hardware with ESP8266 model, you have to first follow the circuit diagram. Now you can see this is the circuit diagram of ESP8266 with the Arduino model. So you can see this is the VCC pin of this ESP8266 model, first and second. Now if you take this ESP8266 model in your hand, and if you hold like this, then first and third pin is a VCC pin, and you have to connect the VCC pin of this ESP8266 model with Arduino 3.3 voltage. Now then this pin, this is the blue pin, is nothing but the TX pin of the ESP8266, and this TX pin of ESP8266 should be connected to the RX pin of Arduino model, and RX pin is nothing but the 2 number. Now this pin is nothing but the ground pin of ESP8266, and this should be connected to ground of Arduino. Then the last pin here, you can see this is the yellow pin, and this yellow pin is nothing but the RX pin of ESP8266, and this should be connected to the here Arduino TX pin, that is the third number pin. So this is the complete idea behind this circuit connection of ESP8266. Now we will connect the LM35 temperature sensor with Arduino. After first you have to connect the ESP8266. Now then you have to connect the LM35. So you can see LM35 having the 3 pins. First pin is for VCC pin, then second pin is output pin, and third pin is ground. So connection will be very easy. So I will this is the 5 volt of pin of Arduino, and that should be connected to one number pin of LM35. So connect this one like here to here in your hardware. So this is the first pin. Now third pin is nothing but the ground pin of LM35, that should be connected to ground pin of Arduino. So you can see here is the ground pin of Arduino. So on actual hardware you can connect this one to the ground pin. Now second number pin is nothing but the output pin of LM35. So this should be connected to A0 pin of Arduino. So connect this pin to A0 pin of Arduino. So this will be the complete circuit diagram of your project. So I hope you understand. It is very easy, and you can easily connect this circuit on the actual hardware also. After you connect the hardware connection with the Arduino, next part is very important, that we have to create the ThingSpeak account. So if you want to create the ThingSpeak account, you can go on this website. I will put this website link in the description, so you can easily find out this website link. Then you have to create the new account. If you don't have the new account on the ThingSpeak, then create a new account, and once you create the new account, just go to this account, whatever your account. Now once you create your ThingSpeak account, just sign into your ThingSpeak account. So you can see this is my mail ID. I am going to sign in now. So then type your password also here. So once you create your sign in into account, click on this new channel, and then give your project name here, so that you can see this is my temperature project sensor Arduino send data. I will give new name here, send data. Then description, if you want to go with description. Now we have only one sensor, so that we can go, now we have only one sensor, so that we can go with the field one. Then just click on save channel. So once you click on save channel, you can view your channel, like this one is your channel, and this one your sensor data value. So you can see here will be whatever the sensor data sent through the Arduino, that will display here. Now the next part is you require the API key for write the data here. So this is your write API key. You have to copy this API key, and it is very important. So copy this API key and store into any like notepad or something, and it is very important to have this API key. So this is my API key. Now in this way you can create your private view. This is the temperature. Now you can add the wizard also, like this one. So this wizard will give the numeric value of temperature sensor real time. Also on the graphical window we can see later. So here you can give the temperature and click on create. So you can see this will be the numeric value. It will not available right now. Once the temperature is connected with the Arduino and send the data on the ThingSpeak, then that value will be displayed. So this will be show the graph, and this will be show the real time value. So in this way the value will be displayed here. Now we will see the program part of this project. So if you want the program of this same project, you can download the program. These two program, it is very important. Connect, change the baud rate and the temperature sensor with ThingSpeak. And here you can see the LM35 circuit. Here you can see this is the esp8266 circuit. I will upload all the code in the Google Drive link. You can find the Google Drive link in the description. So first important program is this one, change the baud rate. So go to this folder and double click on this program. So this program, I will give some short description about this program, what is important here. So initially when you buy the ESP8266 Wi-Fi chip from the market, then it has a baud rate 115200, but we require the baud rate as 9600. So to change that baud rate for this program is very important. Now you can see here I am giving the software serial 2A3. So basically we have connected the ESP TX pin to the 2 number and ESP RX pin to the 3 number of Arduino. Then we have to first give the baud rate as 115200, then ESP8266 baud rate as 115200. Then there is some command where 80 RST, then it will reset your ESP8266. Then some information about ESP8266 is given by this command. Then next is 80 CMD is equal to 3. It will again next command, and then here you can type 9600 baud rate or whatever the baud rate you want in the future. So I require the 9600 baud rate, so that I will give here. Then you have to connect your Arduino with your laptop. Then go to the tool, then go to the tool, then go to the Arduino Uno board, and here you can see from the AVR board you have to connect this Arduino Uno. Then go to the port, and you can see here now my COM port is 5. In your case the COM port will be 4, COM port will be 3. So select that COM port here. So after that download the program. Once click on this upload button. So it is very important. Meanwhile, I can tell you this hardware connection is very important. You can do this hardware connection, and then only connect the hardware, and then only upload the program. So it will take some time to upload the program. So once the program uploaded on the Arduino hardware, then you can see done uploading here. Now if you want to run the program, just click on this serial monitor, and here you can see current baud rate should be 115200. You should select this one, 115200, and here should be both NL and CR. So this option should be visible here. Now once the command is completely executed, you will find the done here, and once the done, that means your baud rate is changed to the 9600. Now close this program. Now go to the second program, that is temperature ThingSpeak. So go to this folder and double click on this program. Now in this program I will tell you what you have to change, very important. So first is your API key. So you can see this is a my API key, and I have told you how to collect your API key. So API key is available in the ThingSpeak, then API share, and you can see this is the API key. And you in your case this is very this will be different. So copy this API key from here and paste API key here. It should be inside this double colon. So once you paste this is inside API key, then data will be upload. Now we will see the importance of each and every line in the code. So first line is hash equal software serial.h. So basically we have connected the RX and TX pin of ESP8266 to the 23 number of Arduino. So that's why we require this header file. Now here we define the RxTX pin number, then after that some variable, we will use this variable later, then sensor A0. So basically we have connected in the hardware part, you can see temperature sensor is connected to A0. So that pin we define here, sensor A0. Then temperature sensor C, this is the variable which store the value of temperature. Then some variable, we will see important of this variable later. Then your API key, then your serial beginning 9600, this is your baud rate of your serial monitor, and second is baud rate of ESP8266, that is 9600. Then start, some start command is there. Then serial.print, it is showing message when we start the program connecting to the Wi-Fi. So it will wait till your Wi-Fi gets connected. Now the next line is ESP8266 print 80. Here is RJ, this is the my password hotspot name, and this is the my password. So you can change your password here. Instead of RJ you can give your password, and here you can give your hotspot password, sorry, you can give here hotspot name here, and here you can change your password of your hotspot. So it should be like this one, you should not delete any backslash, you should not delete any backslash, you should only change the password and change the name of your hotspot here. Then after that, once your hotspot gets connected with ESP8266, then on the serial terminal we can find here Wi-Fi is connected, and if there is a connection problem, then it will print trying to connect on the serial monitor. Then next part is while this one is start, is basically it will start taking the sensor data. So analog sensor, so basically whatever the temperature value on the LM35, that is read from this analog read function, and that is stored into vout variable. And then this is the formula. In this formula we are changing the value from the analog sensor into degree Celsius, and then we store that value into temp degree Celsius variable. Then right ThingSpeak will be function will be called, and this function will be called. Inside this function there is again one function, start ThingSpeak. So inside task ThingSpeak, you can see there is a IP address of your ThingSpeak website. You do not need to change anything in this code. And first then once the ThingSpeak is connected, then here you can see next part is get API key. So whatever the API key required for the ThingSpeak, that is generated here. So you can see here the field 1. So field 1 we are giving the temperature sensor. You can see this is the temp C value we are passing in the field 1, and then whatever the value in the field 1 we are printing that value. Then get ThingSpeak command. So once this API key is generated, that API key need to be passed to the ThingSpeak server, and that API key passed through this function get ThingSpeak command. So once the get ThingSpeak command will call, then API send function 80 command will be sent to send the whatever the value for the temperature sensor on the ThingSpeak by using this by using this function of complete function. So you can see right now I am changing the API key live for your reference. So this is my API key currently for this wizard. So currently there is no value, so I am changing the API key here and paste. Now you have to go to again tools, select your Arduino Uno, select your COM port, and then upload your code. Now you can see once your hardware is connected, and if there is showing connected, you can just remove the Arduino and plug in again. Now you can see Wi-Fi is connected, 31.28 is sent on the server. Again same value will be starting sent on the server continuously. Now we will check the server if there is a value or not. So refresh this one. Now you can see once the code is uploaded, just click on this serial terminal, and here should be the 9C00 baud rate, and both N and N you can see connecting through the Wi-Fi. Then Wi-Fi is connected, so that means your ESP8266 is connected to your Wi-Fi hotspot. Now start sending the command. Now you can see 31.28 is sent on the ThingSpeak server. So this, if you get this one, that means the connection is completed and value sent on the ThingSpeak server. Now we will check on the ThingSpeak server the value is received or not. So you can see currently 31, that is the correct value we receive here, and date you can see date and time. So 31.28 it is on graph. So that means the project is working successfully, code is also working successfully. The only point is you have to follow the complete hardware as it is as shown in the figure. You have to create this hardware, and you have to follow this code. Then you have to change the baud rate by using this baud rate code. After that successfully you can also you have to change your API key here. Then you have to change your hotspot name, your password here, and then you can easily you can see upload the value on the ThingSpeak server. Now you can see this is continuously giving the trying to reconnect, so that is means there is something problem with the Wi-Fi module, like baud rate will be changed whenever I showing you. So if this happen in your case, you can change the baud rate from here 115200, and here also you can give 115200. Maybe this one is correct baud rate. So upload the program again.